guys a bonus video editing, how to edit, photo editing, how to edit your photo, remove background and change the background. Very simple. Okay, so go to Chrome, make sure your data is on, type remove.bg, as you can see on the screen, www.remove.bg. enter. Okay, so wait for it to load. Then when it's finished loading, this page appears. Click on upload image, select the image that you want to remove the background on. Okay, let me use this. Okay, let me use this. Okay, for those that are wondering who Prof Sammy is, this is Prof Sammy. I'm a young man, so don't think I'm still a young man. Somebody's laughing over there. Okay, so the picture is already here. The background has been removed, as you can see. Now, after doing that, I can then edit the background. Now, if I click on edit, it will take me down here. Now you can see, if I select this one, I click on this palm, you can see background has changed. Isn't it wonderful? I select this palm onaga. I see it is working. I select this palm. You can see, you be wondering some pictures you see on Facebook or WhatsApp. You wondering, you see somebody's picture and you see the person in the States, a different background. You be wondering, how is it done? This is how it is done. Very simple. They say what you don't know is bigger than you. Now you have shared a life-changing piece of information with you, so you can play around with this. So get your pictures, your friends' picture, you can help them edit their picture, and you could even charge for it. Yes, you could charge for it. So you see now, I think I like this one. Let me use this one. So after you have chosen the background that you want, you can also use a colored, full colored background. Look at, you see, so you can do somebody's passport. You can see now. Isn't it wonderful? It's wonderful. Okay, so yeah, for those that are wondering who Prof Sammy is, that is me. I am a young man, but old in spirit, young in flesh. So I think I will go with this. Okay, after you have done selecting what you want to select, you see this there. You see this arrow that is pointing down. This arrow pointing down on top of my screen. The arrow pointing down, not the one showing red though. The one pointing down. I click on it, and when I click on it, it's gonna prompt me. It's gonna ask me if I want to download. Okay, so preparing. So they will tell me download image, or you can share to the group directly if you want to, but I prefer you download it before you share to the group. So make sure you download it and share yours to the group. I want to see yours. Okay, is it working? It is working. Onaga. All right, guys, see you in just a moment. Okay, so I've downloaded mine. See you, catch ya.